Ukiri mwega mwirorari na ni mwihoko wakwa no watindia thayo na ibwe mwana uyu ni twatindia thayo na mihango mingi ya kumathira mohoro kundu gutiganite ituini tiganite cia bururi gunyite ugeni mohoro ni maitu ma muthenya wa umuthi muthenya wa aramithi tariki 23 mweri wa kana ni turi nawe njetago Maureen Wanjiru na kimwathiriri na njira ya shiko ni Lorena Wabui tukirika mohoro-ini tuhiuke kaunti ya Kwale. Ameba a kiama kia UDA ni morite atongoria na aria maracagurwo matura-ini kumatungatira na njira ya waragania na kihoto ni gwikira hinya makiria kiama-ini kiu. Agaba Wairimu ni mwandiki witu anora tuhingwira mohoro maitu na riboti ino.
Ithurano cia mashinani kiama-ini kia UDA kaunti-ini ya Kwale ni nyitithitio thinga guku ameba kiama kiu magicagura maabitha 20 o abitha kirugamirira giceceni kia wikia wa kura ikiro-ini itiganite cia kiama kiu.
Watu wameweza kujitokeza, hali ya kuwa leo kumeamuka na mvua kubwa, lakini bado wanachama wetu wa UDA wameweza kujitokeza ili kuweza kuchagua viongozi wao katika kila polling center.
Githurano kiu gitafanitio na njira igwete guku ajumbe makiyumiria kwa wige kuma ituri mwanya mwanya iceceni-ini cia guikiria kura rire ithurano icio ihuthirite mashini imwe ya tablet o giceceni niguo gukinyaniria mihango iyo.
Watu wamejitokeza kwa wingi na kura inaenda vizuri kwa sababu ni kama watu wameelewa umuhimu wao. Na ni watu wamejua kwamba chama iko na nguvu na ndio maana wamejitokeza.
Ameba a UDA ni morete ameba aria maguthurwo kuheana utongoria mwega nginya mashinani gutari kwenderera ona kana guthutukania niguo gutigirira kiama kia UDA ni kihanda wega.
Na matarajio yetu kwa hawa tunawachagua wawe waaminifu, wawe na ukweli, wasiwe na chuchuchuchu za ndani na upendeleo. Tunamchagua tutakaye na ukweli. Ikiwa tumeona ukweli hana hatoenda mbele, atarudi nyuma. Twawaombea kila la kheri, Mwenyezi Mungu awajalie watuongoze vyema, wazidi kuendeleza maendeleo.
Ngiribotera mohoro ma Kiheo TV, njĩtagwo Agatha Wairimu.
Ni ngatho Agatha Wairimu tugithie na mbere. Ngwataniro ya arutwo a githomo gia kothi cia moko TVET ni mataririe kwa kuiganira na matua maria makoretwo magikinyanirio ni urugamiriri wa mutaratara wa githomo gia TVET wa ica ikuhi ari kwa gukorwo magikira matonyo ma kuhumbwo bombe thutha wa kurikia githomo kiao undu uria mareganite naguo. Magitongorio ni president wa TVET Walter Joseph marutite mukana wa gutabania mugomo angikorwo rendekithia riu itiguteanirio.
We will no longer tolerate exclusion. We will no longer accept uncertainty. We will no longer allow decisions to be made about us without us.
Yes. Yes.
Do you all agree?
Yes. Yeah, we agree.
Our voices must be heard and our rights must be respected.
Yeah.
Therefore, on behalf of all the technical and vocational students association across the country, I hereby declare that we are going to fight for the rights of our own comrades. We are going to pursue legal ways and we are going to ensure that our comrades have been all the time heard and they are at the center of any business that has to be conducted. And we have to say this, students, they are very happy wearing gowns during graduation. Are you not happy?
We are happy.
So what we are trying to say is this: there is no way a student that you can take away the joy of a comrade. Wanafunzi wengine wanatoka homesteads hawajiwezi, homesteads zingine hakuna hata kwa hiyo familia hata comrade mmoja ama hata family member mmoja amewahi fika hata campus. The question remains, why do you have to now tell us that during graduation we have to wear what our discipline dictates, including that at sasa wewe unafanya mechanical unafaa kukuja na helmet.
Tũgĩtigana na icio ciĩgiĩ arutwo a TVET tũhũndũkĩre mwena wa Naikuru. Ekwĩrwo ana a njũragano kaunti-inĩ ya Naikuru nĩ makinyĩtie igoti-inĩ rĩnene rĩa Naikuru gũcokia thitango cia ũragani. Ana acio marekwĩrwo kũraga andũ 5 arĩa nĩ mũthuri na mũtumia, mwanake ũmwe na atumia erĩ a ekwĩrwo acio. Mũcirithania Patricia Gĩchohi nĩarekeirie amwe na bodi citiganĩte cia mbeca baribari gũkũ ekwĩrwo angĩ makĩaga kũrekererio kuona atĩ no maboge wĩra ũrĩa arĩa angĩ marĩ naguo.
Wa pili Michael, watatu Eli.
Si kweli.
Richard Wanjala Juma umeshtakiwa na shtaka la mauaji kinyume na sheria, na maelezo ni kuwa wewe pamoja na Michael Kipsang Martin na Eli Njuguna Kuria mnamo tarehe 7 mwezi wa Novemba 2025 pale Mosaiet Village ambayo iko Salga area, Rongai sub county, Nakuru county, ulimuua Margaret Wambui Mwangi. Ni kweli ama si kweli?
It's on record for the accused persons want to respond to that, and they have agreed to argue the issue of board on 24th of April 2026 at 9 a.m.
Tũgĩtigana icio tũhũndũkĩre ciĩgiĩ ũrĩmi. Minister wa Girigasha Mutahi Kagwe nĩarutĩire mũkana agũri a ngota gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ nĩ ũndũ wa gũkorwo makĩgũrĩra arĩmi na thogora wa thĩ makĩria wa ciringi 30 ikĩringithania na thogora ũrĩa thirikari yanĩrĩire wa ciringi 100 o harĩ kilo. Kagwe augĩte arĩa mareka ũguo nĩ megũkorwo magĩkanjĩrwo marũa mao ma thũgũrĩ ya ngota kuona atĩ nĩ marahinyĩrĩria arĩmi na njĩra nene. Njoki wa Maina nĩ mwandĩki witũ na ũratuhinyĩria ici.
Minister wa Girigasha Mutahi Kagwe nĩaheanĩte mwerekera wa kũrũmĩrĩrwo thũgũrĩ-inĩ wa ngandamia gũkũ akiuga no mũhaka agũri a ngandamia gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ magũrĩre arĩmi maciaro mao ma mĩgũnda na thogora ũtanyihĩire ciringi 100 oro kilo. Kwaga ũguo marũa mao ma thũgũrĩ na wendia wa ngandamia nja wa bũrũri makanjwo. Akĩaria arĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Nyĩrĩ, Mutahi nĩatarĩirie ũrĩa thirikari ĩkĩrĩte thogora ũcio nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra arĩmi gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ nĩ we
do so in recognition also of the fact that agriculture is largely a devolved function, you know, and that the county governments around the country are going to carry a heavy load in terms of the activities that we are going to carry forward, and the joint actions, the unity and the working together between the county government and the national government.
Kagwe nĩarutĩire mabroka mũkana mũrũrũ wa gũtiga kũgũrĩra arĩmi ngandamia na thogora wa gũte wa ciringi 30 oro kilo na gũcoka kwendia ngandamia oro icio na thogora ũrĩa ũgathĩkĩtwo wa igũrũ makĩria. Augĩte arĩa marĩ thũgũrĩ-inĩ ĩyo rungu rwa ngwatanĩro ya Macnat no mũhaka magũrĩre mũrĩmi na thogora mwega nĩguo nake ahote kũgunĩka. Minister ũcio wa Girigasha nĩarugũrĩtie mũbango wa mwanya wa kwaramia ũrĩmi wa kahũa gĩcigo-inĩ kĩu gũkũ akĩrutĩra ithĩi cia kahũa mũkana wa kuoya ngombo gũtarĩ kĩharĩro na ũndũ wa kwandĩkithia indo cia arĩmi rungu rwa iganda na ithĩi. Kagwe no anĩrĩire kwambĩrĩria kwa gĩceceni kĩa mbere biũ kĩa ũthuthuria wa ũrĩmi kaunti-inĩ ya Nyĩrĩ.
You know, the president signed the act, the Coffee Act, which then means that AFA, which was running the coffee directorate, that directorate now becomes a separate institution called the Coffee Board. So we are back to the Coffee Board and no longer in AFA, but we are in the transition stages. So in the transition stage, the Act says the AFA directorate is the one that is going to transition itself and take over the mandate of the Coffee Board until we have the substantive coffee board. So we are working on it. We have already signed up that they have converted themselves into a committee that is now transitioning us from AFA to the coffee board.
Handu-ini ha Keo TV, njĩtagwo Njoki wa Maina.
Nĩ ngatho Njoki wa Maina nĩ gũteithĩrĩria icio. Rĩu aikari a matura ma Kĩgĩo Gatanga kaunti-inĩ ya Murang'a maugĩte matirara toro makiriĩra mahiũ mao kumana na wongerereku wa ciĩko cia ũici wa mahiũ na magetha mao ma mĩgũnda. Arĩmi aya arĩa mathiĩte na mbere gũtarĩria hathara ya arĩa mathiĩte na mbere na gũtara hathiri ya makiri ma mbeca maugĩte ciĩko icio cia wĩkinaĩ iratabanio mathaa-inĩ ma ũtukũ. Rĩu abitha wa ũgitĩri mũnini wa County Commissioner mwena ũcio Mr. Alo nĩerĩire mũingĩ mwena ũcio atĩ nĩegũkorwo akĩnyitanĩra na maabitha a ũgitĩri a matura kuhota kũng'ethanĩra na ekinaĩ nĩguo kũgacĩrithia ũgitĩri wa gũtũra matura-inĩ ma Kĩgĩo.
Tumekuwa tukisubuliwa na vijana hapa wakora ambao wanatusubua kukuiba ng'ombe. Juzi waliiba ng'ombe zetu 3, moja wakabeba 2, hiyo ingine wakaasha kama wameiagusha kwa mto na wakaiharibu sana. Before that 2 weeks walienda pale chini wakajaribu kuiba na wakati walisikiwa wakaenda wakagoga dama na ikakufa. Sasa tunashindwa, hizo ni avocado. Si shamba tupande avocado, hakuna kitu tunavuna. Wanashuna usiku, wanalala wakishuna. Niko na rafiki yangu hapa, hata saa hiyo avocado zake ziko hapa gunia 2. Aliibiwa on Monday, sisi ndio tulifungua kesi hapa.
Juzi kuna mama mkongwe aliibiwa ng'ombe 3, ingine ikapatikana kwa barabara imekatakatwa iliposhindwa kutembea. Mwingine akaibiwa ng'ombe 2 na mwingine akaibiwa ng'ombe 4. Na wakati hizo ng'ombe zinaibiwa bado zinauzwa huku, kumaanisha buchari zenye ziko huku hawana barua za kuonyeshana kwenye wamenunua nyama. So tunaomba county government ya Murang'a, health department or veterinary officer department, hizi buchari ambazo ziko huku zifuatiliwe na ziwe na barua ya kuonyeshana ile nyama ambayo mtu amenunua na amenunua wapi, ili weze tushike wezi. Naomba hizo illegal business ziweze kufungwa na ili hawa watu wetu wawe na amani, ili mtu akilisha kuku yake, akilisha ng'ombe yake, akipata hiyo avocado na vitu zingine awe na amani. Because juzi kulikuwa na hadi mambo na watu kudungwa na visu. Saa 11 unapata mtu amedungwa na kisu na mtu anapotea. So ndio maana tukakuja tukajitolea.
Security imekuwa worse. Mpaka tunashindwa tuende wapi, tupotelee wapi ama tuhamie wapi. But God is good for now. Tuko na hope tutapata hiyo solution kwa siku ya leo, kwa maana tumekuwa na hiyo mkutano na tunatarajia mambo mema na mazuri yatapatikana. Sasa kama mimi mtoto wangu ni mwizi, anakuja anashikwa, nitafanya kila juhudi huyo mtoto asiende kufugwa, na hiyo ni kitu baya sana, inachagia wezi.
Na tugakihoka ruhonge rwa ũgitĩri mwena ũcio nĩ rũkorwo rũgĩkĩng'ethanĩra na ekinaĩ na nĩ gũikaria cio makorwo na thayũ na marare toro wa kũigana. Tũkwamba gũikĩria o hanini nĩ tũkorwo tũgĩcokeria na mohoro mangĩ, ndũgathiĩ haraya.
Ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Tomugate wiki ũngĩtũria mũndũ muoyo, ĩndĩ kiugo kiumĩte kanua-inĩ ka Jehova nĩ gĩtũragia mũndũ muoyo.
Alikuwa na uwezo wa kuzuia kubeba msalaba. Ndio. Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa kubeba msalaba. Ndio. Lakini akakubali kubeba msalaba kwa ajili ya kuleta utukufu kwa Baba. Oh, haleluya.
O muthenya wa Friday thaa 3 cia rũcinĩ nyitanagĩra na ndungata cia Ngai kuma kanitha wa Jesus Winner Ministry tabarĩra-inĩ ya neno la uzima.
Kuwa na uwezo wa kukataa na kukufa. Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa kusulubiwa, lakini akakubali. Ndio jina la Baba liweze kutukuzwa. Haleluya.
Ugatarwo na maandiko, ukahoerwo na ukaheo mwihoko muturire-ini. Neno la uzima nitugie kariko.
Of God, I love your voice. You have led me through the fire.
Ewe ni wenderera we kawira kau gaku o investire miaka iyo yothe ri umuthi uyu ngoma angiariria turi anime moke magukuwa indo ciaku ungika atia kana ungiambirie kumacaria na miguu ta njege tatengera kuria gwa Kimuma Engineering System umere makuonia CCTV cia kamera ciraiganirira muhuko waku. Oho ni makoragwo na electric fence materials, razor wire cia green na cia silver. Ni makoragwo na access control system ira cia kuhinya fingerprint ugitonya, intruder alarm system, na no makoragwo na indo ciothe cia mwaki nginya fire extinguishers. Oho no makoragwo na solar panels na ni makoragwo nginya na ihingo automatic kuhinya ka remote oguo wira ni muingi tawa gutinda kung'ang'ana na ngeti. Ni mahetwo ngerenwa nyingi muno. Nduka ciao cikuria Nairobi CBD macamaniro-ini ma Kamae na Gaborone Road. Showroom yao hau Nyandarua House ground floor. Nduka yao yao area kou Nyandarua House second floor room 204. Nduka yao haria Gaborone Plaza ground floor number G1. Na kwa kuria Kasarani ni haria Max Plaza kung'ethanira na Kasarani police station. Ona kana no macarie na thimo 0793494949 kana 0793949494 kana 0793595959. Gitira wira waku na CCTV cameras kuma Kimuma Engineering System. Twaririe
ruoro rugitema koragwo wi wa mbere kumenya maria marahanika guku bururi-ini na nja wa itoka cia Kenya.
When it comes to raising children, kindu kia mbere ndirera ciaria tha ici uria we baba wanyu na mami wanyu kana andu aria makurerire aguka wanyu acũcũ wanyu uria makurerire tigo urarera generation ino. Ndio kana nionete ga video kana trend TikTok kana gatira igwa dio itata wega kero etira mami wanyu akamwira atafanya.
Do we have mutual benefit or any benefit financially from your wife too? Kogo in case you're not there are those people togiuga ne your dependents national magi suffer financial loss. The life insurance yokaga in that gap.
Tondu hatiri handu ona hamwe angehota gwika atia gwaka gutiri gwake gutiri kwao mundu ucio agi no gwikarirwo thi ni aria me thirikari magacira matongoretio ni abunge senators aria macira makoiga atiri kwina ndo itomena the titondu we no inuka nyumba-ini ya ihiga gutina thina andu acio ritwitigie horo wao.
Nyitanagira na Francis Wairura na Wanjiko wa Mwangi tabarira-ini ya gugithereruka o muthenya wa mwambiririo kinyagia gatano thinacara na nuthu kinyagia thaa 3 cia rucini mitambo-ini ya Kiheo TV kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ngabo mwirorerire ni tociokereria ikirekaria keri ano binambe na kurumania na mohoro maya na ndine cito ciokinyaneria mwana wa Kiheo TV mwana wa YouTube tugicokereria tuthie na mbere tabarira ya thirikari nene ya kuhura njoki mbegu njithi niguo mahote kwambararia kana kwandandura biacara ciao no ithiete na mbere na kunyitwo mbaru ni aingi ao mbegu njithi guku bururi-ini riu mbegu njithi kaunti-ini ya Narok makiuga mugaru na tabarira iria ingi cia uheani wa mbeca cia biacara mubango wa nyota ni urakinyukia ikinya mbere na ria gutara na kuruta mbegu njithi uhoro wigie wigithia mwega na wina kiguni hali miturire yao.
Nashukuru kwa department hii ya Nyota
leo tumeweza kuwa kwa siku ya 3 tukiwa kwa mafunzo ambayo ni training ambayo imetuelimisha zaidi kama vijana. Kwa penye tumetoka mostly vijana, tukiwa vijana wengi wao wamekuwa kwa madrugs, wamekuwa wakitumia pesa zao kwa njia ambayo sio sahihi, lakini kwa siku ya leo tunashukuru serikali yetu ambayo imeweza kutuletea nyota yenye itatufungua macho pia tuweze kufanya biashara zetu, tusikae kwa idle, tusikue idleness pia. Kwa siku ya leo tunasema leo ni siku ambayo serikali imetufanya sisi kama vijana, imetujali pia.
As the coordinator for Narok North constituency, within the county of Narok we have trained over 1,000 youth in the business development component, and what we have seen, the youth are quite committed in this area, coming from diverse places which are quite different. And during the training they have really learned and committed to starting businesses. Even the ones we trained in the first component, most of them, if not 98%, really started their businesses, and we've been mentoring them throughout the month. And for the new component, they are very eager to learn.
So much happy as youth, having been here for the last 3 days. This is our third day for what we are calling the Nyota BDS training. The many things we have learned, there is a financial plan, there is also the savings plan. Because besides us having that financial plan and also advancing our businesses or do some investments, there is also something called saving. We have been trained also to do some savings, which is something that is very much important.
Tugithie na mbere tutigane na icio cia Nyota, tuhiuke kuria kaunti ya Isiolo. Aikari aitura ria Ilithambolo kaunti ya Isiolo ni marina gitumi gia gukungwira thutha wa thina wa mai gukorwo ukirekera gukinya muthia. Ũũ nĩ thutha wa gĩcunjĩ kĩa mbere gĩa tabarĩra ya maĩ itũra-inĩ rĩao kũrĩka. Tabarĩra ĩno ĩkuruhanĩtie mũbango kana mũtambo wa maĩ ũrĩa ũrĩ wa kilomita 17 kuma itũra-inĩ rĩao. Mũtambo ũcio wa maĩ ũrĩa ũkorwo ũkĩmaguna makĩria amu kwa ihinda karaihu makoretwo magĩthĩnĩka nĩ wagi wa maĩ ma kũhũthĩra ona ma kũnyua.
My name is Abdullahi Mohammed, County Chief Officer Water and Sanitation, Isiolo County Government. Today we are here at Resaboru. A lot of effort has been made to make sure that they get water, but due to, most of the time, the boreholes that has been sunk, around 4 boreholes, either it had a low yield or there were salty water and they were unable to get water. But now we sat down with our engineers from Department of Water and Department of Environment. We sat together and brought up an idea where there were boreholes that has been abandoned for the last 7 years in swampy area, and it could not be accessed for long. So we took a survey and went to that point and find out that we can be able to push water from there to this area. So we had a survey, we did a very great survey. After doing that, we sat together with the engineers, then the engineers made a recommendation on how we come up with this water to this point.
This is new Resaboru. Watu wa Resaboru walihama like 3 years ago from the settlement which is inside Wasonyiro. Walikuwa na changamoto mingi sana ya maji, na kupitia County Government of Isiolo County Government of Isiolo, Department of Environment, tuliweza kuchukua hiyo challenge kuwaletea maji 17 kilometers from the old borehole. Leo hii maji tumepump tumeleta hapa hivi. We are implementing it in 2 phases. The first phase is pipeline of 17 kilometers from the old Resaboru borehole up to where we are now, right now. It's called Biligi. Resaboru is like 2 kilometers away. The first phase of this project is a pipeline of 17 kilometers and installation of elevated steel tank, 75 cubic meters, which will start in the next 2 or 3 weeks. Na tumeshuhudia kuwa maji ni mingi.
Ni gavo na riboti yo kuma mwena ucio wa Isiolo ni tuko tugitiriha nayo mohoro maito ma thaa imwe no nitugie na kireko tuona ciehada thaa ithatu ni tuko tugicokereria o haha tuko tugikumenyithia magi mege magi ure burito wa Kenya watinda ukigarira ngabo cia mwanya ni wakorwo kinyitanira na ithui na makorwo magikinyaniria mohoro maya mubauri na njira ya ciko Omarorin wa Bui na ni jetagwo Maureen Wanjiru tukwendithĩrie wĩra mwega wa tabera citũ na iria yarumirira.